Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eka Susilawati. I'm a student a doctoral program, the Faculty of Communication Science, Universitas Islam Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. And now I'm here to present my article entitled The Role of Women in Preventing the Degradation of Adolescents' Morality, Implication of Communication Technology. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the increase in act of violence committed by teenagers is one of the impacts of developments in technology and mass media. It is unfortunate that the rapid development of communication technology is not matched by strict sanction against violent youth behavior. In fact, perpetrators of violence against teenagers have the potential to cause a decrease in moral degradation in teenagers. This research aims to analyze the role of women in preventing negative exposure to media consumption on adolescent violent behavior. This research uses a qualitative method with an ethnographic approach and documentation studies as data collection technique. The result of this research show that women have an important role in preventing the moral degradation of teenagers due to the implication of communication technology, because women as a mother are obligated to provide first and foremost guidance for teenagers in living their life. Next, introduction. The amount of violence against children continues to increase every year. The most reported violence occurs in children with a high school education or equivalent, namely 13 to 17 years, with the type of child violence triggered by social media and the internet being the highest compared to other types of child violence in the form cycle. And then the problem focus, responsibility for prevention, control, and post-treatment of children need to be carried out by all parties, be it families, a school, or even other institutions such as KPAI and the police. It is necessary to prevent the development of embryos of violence in children mind through appropriate supervision and parenting, especially from mothers at home. The aim of this research is to analyze the role of women in preventing negative exposure to media consumption and adolescent violent behavior. The method used, this research uses qualitative methods with an ethnographic approach, and the object of this research are mothers who have teenage children aged 9 to 17 years in Serang Regency and City. The data collection technique use documentation studies technique related to case of youth violence caused by media exposure. And finding this article is, so many articles show that mother as a woman has a role in avoiding her children from a bad environment. such as media exposure and bad effect of social media, so that a mother has many ways in raising them by good parenting, like giving a full of careness and involving all the child activities. And one of source taken by an article entitled peran orang tua dalam menjaga anak dari pengaruh buruk media sosial. It states about that is true. A role of mother can reduce the bad effect of media exposure, so that they can minimize the degradation of moral by the affection, love language, and act of service. Okay, the conclusion, this article is the mother has a crucial role and is a figure that cannot be eliminated in the family. Mother have many roles and are able to do many things for the need of all family members. Mother as protector, but psychically, mentally, and emotionally are ready to listen to the life story of each family member and provide positive input that always contains support and advice. Therefore, mother can be the spearhead in tackling juvenile delinquency. Okay, thanks all my presentation. Thanks. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thanks for your watching. And the last I say to Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.